Hey everybody, it's Dave Blinder, eXp Realty. We're here today at Step 1 Signs in Randolph, New Jersey with the famous Kjell, master designer. I'm going to show these guys Kjell. Kjell just finished overhauling all of my custom open house signage, which is a great promotional material for my business. Kjell, can you tell these people kind of about some of the products you do here?
Sure can, Dave. So here at Step 1 Signs, we do everything from personal to small organizations and into small businesses, even large corporate signage. So anything that you have for a logo, we can basically take it and put it wherever you need. We specialize in many different parts of printing, graphics, and signage. So anywhere from your business cards, brochures, t-shirts and apparel, vehicle graphics, as per like, you know, out here on your hoods and everything, into outside signage and interior corporate signage. We can help you with whatever you need. So if you have a logo and you want to do something with it, shoot it over to us and we'll take a look at it and see how we can help you.
All right. Can you tell the viewers out there in internet land, Kjell, how long you've been doing this stuff in the sign shop business?
Yeah, too long. But honestly, it's been we've been here at Step 1 Signs since 2012. Prior to that, I've worked in the industry for about 4 years. So yeah, been doing it a long time.
And if people want to find you, how do they find your shop?
Well, we're right here in Randolph, New Jersey, off Sussex Turnpike, by the Randolph Barn, if anyone's familiar with that. The address is 1572 Sussex Turnpike, Randolph, New Jersey.
All right.
Yeah.
Sure for that. So come on in to Step 1 Signs.